In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Cloudflare API key in just a few minutes. Whether you're a developer or a website owner, having access to API keys can truly enhance your ability to manage and implement features on your websites with ease and flexibility. Don't worry, the process is quite straightforward and I'll guide you through every step. Let's begin by heading over to the Cloudflare website. Once you're there, you need to log into your account. If you're not already a registered user, you'll need to create an account to proceed. Cloudflare provides various ways to log in, and one of the most convenient methods offered is through Google. Just click on Continue with Google and choose the Google account you want to use. This will seamlessly log you into your Cloudflare account with just a few clicks. After successfully logging in, you'll notice your profile photo located at the top right corner of the screen. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu where you'll need to select My Profile. Your profile page is the gateway to various personal settings and options, including API tokens. Next on the list is accessing the API tokens section, which is crucial for creating our API key. Once you're on your profile page, scroll down until you see the option labeled API tokens and click on it. This section is where all your token management occurs. Tokens are essential because they allow you to perform actions on your Cloudflare account programmatically, which is perfect for automated processes or integrating Cloudflare services with other platforms. Once there, find the Create Token option and click on it. You'll be directed to a page where you can either create from scratch or use a predefined template. We'll go with a ready-made option. Select Edit Cloudflare Workers from the available templates. Templates help to streamline the process by providing preset structures that you can adapt for your specific needs. After selecting the template, you need to ensure that all zones and all accounts are chosen in the drop-down menus, as this will apply the API token to all areas and accounts associated with your Cloudflare services. Make sure these selections are correct before proceeding. Now it's time to click on Continue to Summary. This page will give you an overview of the token configuration to ensure everything is set up as desired. Check all the details thoroughly, and if you're satisfied, proceed by clicking on Create Token. Finally, after creating your token, you will see an option to copy it. Make sure to copy this API token and store it securely. You'll need to paste it on your website or in the specific application you're integrating it with. And there you have it. Now you know how to generate an API token on Cloudflare. Be cautious not to share your API token publicly, as it grants access to your account. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Happy coding!